Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we are here with DJ Silverstone. Hi DJ Silverstone, how you doing?
Pleasant eating, mama.
Yes, man.
A blessing, man.
Yes,
yeah.
absolutely. What is your correct name?
Some correct name, Westmore Spencer.
Westmore Spencer?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so you have a story to share. You know, you would have contacted us, so we'll give you the opportunity now to just go ahead and begin to share your story.
Yeah, definitely. As I say, me Silverstone, original birth name Westmore Spencer. Alright, definitely as a upcoming entertainer. Now signed by the label Arno Vibes recently. Definitely over the years, it's been a while doing this music from like school days. Yeah. Go primary school, get through GSAT, go through high school, drop out of high school, definitely still have the music vibes. So I'm RDN for do something, RDN.
Where did you attend high school?
Dallas.
Dallas, that's where?
Yeah, like over in Bolivia.
Bolivia, okay.
We grew up in like uptown, Papine. It's like Kingston 6, Papine, yeah. But I originate, I'm born a Waterhouse.
Okay.
Seaward Drive, 17 Seaward Drive, a place named Samakan. Yeah, you understand?
Okay.
Yeah, so like, during I don't know where youth we might be just born, we don't really know where I go, and mother and father split up and thing. So I saw me end up reach uptown in a Papine with my mother. So growing up in Papine now, I grew with my stepfather, Winston Leonard Campbell. You hear that? Make him soul rest in peace, I'm a general.
Okay.
Him now grass me from the road.
Yes.
School me and everything, from basic, primary, go straight to high school. Go right to even me incident, me injury, where we're going to talk about that shortly.
Yes.
So right there and then now, while going to primary school, I always do the music.
Right.
My mother did write me my mother first write me a cover note. Because she recognized why I'm. You understand? She first write me a cover note. Big up to my mother, Cheryl Rotten, first lady, you know? Yeah, man, love can't done, man. You understand? So what you pray now? From this on now we start do that look one song, the mash up to look school concert and thing, and we start feel the current and feel the power ourselves. You understand? So while me I grew up now and left primary school, high school, get dropped out of high school, from just like cross over in a grade 8. You understand? Due into the same music procedure. But like while I should have been there in a classroom Thomas Booker,
yes.
Me as a man always alright on song.
Okay, so you were skipping school?
No, I'm not really. I never skip school. My dad school, man. I'm up front in a school every day. You understand? But when we used to go primary school, I don't know where I used to just forward up. I used to skip school. Yeah, I used to go like, my primary school was like New Providence Primary, running a Barbican standpipe. So, I have my friend them from Albert, man. Augustown, standpipe, because me and like my main friend from Augustown too was like Nari Collins, that is Sizzla Kalonji brother.
Okay.
You hear that? The entertainer Sizzla Kalonji field brother. Me and him like was in a one class, Nari Collins, big up yourself. I'm always want to find back that youth, they still is it.
Yes.
Yeah, like, and two of them and some youth.
Okay. But
likewise, me used to skip school more time with we and them and go cook pot and them thing, the Piggy Beach and all the river vibes. But otherwise from that it did alright, because it always music. But while in high school now and get dropping out of high school, the music right through, but we never really like have no one run with a guide in our music. But the most I always there by my side, so him RDN me for do this. So it's like I never did really run to no one or ask no one for no question.
Okay.
I just know how to do this, I know how to construct this, I know what to do.
Yes.
No man not teach me how to circle on a rhythm or say, yo, tempo control or nothing.
Okay.
Me myself, yes, some more time me myself I say, John, God, you know.
Yes.
No man can't tell me nothing. So the RDN, is it? Yeah, man. It's not a makeshift. You understand? My mother birthed me as an entertainer, is it? So what you pray now? Likewise now, drop out of high school and I do a thing. I first song was like Better Than. And they have done cardio on them on Mona Road. I understand me have a local virgin like what is his name? Sea Coaching. That's somebody did know him as Sea Coaching. You originate from Mobia.
Okay. So your first song that you just mentioned, you drop out of school at grade 8.
Yeah, grade 8.
So when you have the first song, at what age?
When I get the first song, me like grade, me at age 14.
Okay.
Yeah, age 14, 15. I swear.
So that would have been closely after you leave, after you drop out of school.
Yeah.
So where were you going? You were going to like a studio or something?
All right. Yes, man. Because it's like when me at home now, to the whole thing now, me have a friend when named Jamaican, and him have a brother when named Raindrops. You understand? Because I tell them I grew up in the tavern, you know, I grew around fireman, you know, Capleton them, you know. Yeah, Capleton himself know me, you know. You understand? Because you treat to a point one time, a Capleton brother, Jickman, or Capleton. Some family from them brother, I'm cousin, but him did bring my mother to go have my sister, that a Nana. My sister right now, big up your Nana. You don't know, you know.
Okay.
Love goes out, you're nurse right now, you understand?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. So Nana, her right name is Kishana Campbell, you see it? Yeah. So it's like, yeah, so remember the days, and we're there on the fireman, like the first song of fireman, they do release, so that's it. Motor, I don't say certain thing, but one part with one B and inside red, yeah, me there another little video there, as a little, yo, no, around at them, you know the whole of the man, them, man, a tavern, me grow, Kingston 6, you understand?
Okay.
So my life back and forth from tavern to Waterhouse to Cockburn Pen, you understand? So me's a mix multitude.
Yeah.
You understand?
Okay. All right, so go back to the first song now.
All right, so like the first song now is like, me there at home and we create our own craft now, and I go Better Than. Who them boys say them better than, and who them boys say them madder than. So, as I say, me have a friend named Jeremy and his brother named Raindrops. Baby Germs, we used to call him, but him correct him Jeremy.
Okay.
You understand? So when him have a sister named Samantha. Samantha like was the bigger one, the older one. So Samantha used to like dealing with a youth around a studio around a caveman. Never forgot. Around a caveman studio. After you come down they could have used Mona Road to come a caveman to, but would have naturally come for go Likkle way and then turn pan crash can and go up. You understand? So it's shorter. So Samantha introduced me to the first studio. You understand? Her mother named Rosie.
Okay.
A nice local revival woman and thing. You understand? Samantha carried me to the first studio. Samantha, sometimes they used to like cassette the just a come out that style, a CD just a come in.
Yeah.
Samantha carried me to a caveman and some really get the whole idea of this thing and get the open up to the exposure of this studio thing full time.
Okay.
So my voice the first song a caveman Better Than. Have it as I look at them then, for instance, in the place, around the place, in my circle, in my yard, in my hometown.
Yeah.
You know? Then, for instance, I'm Better Than now, and it go on with itself and like, I don't know what go on, but I have a virgin named Dragon. You understand? So it's Dragon now, Dragon was like always, they behind me, him and rather die carrying him a Colonel. It reached a point where me used to like, yeah, so good a level it up. So the dog them like the song Everyting alright, we go sub up and we do things. So the dog, Dragon have an uncle. But I always hear about and my mother always say, I don't want any of them company there, you know, my son, very, leave from down the road, but it's like me was always true. And my friend them, because them was always the big man them round. You understand?
What age were you at this point?
Then they like me at 15.
So you were on the road, you know, on the streets rather, from very young?
Yeah, man, because from me at 7 IQ, you know. My mother could have hear before me at 7 for send me to town. Anyway, in Jamaica, she want.
Okay.
Yeah, she can send me. Because my IQ up there, my wisdom fully grasped.
Okay.
You see me, I'm not fool, I'm not last, I know science.
Okay.
She never bring no fool, because I'm the first born in the site for her, and for my daddy, you see it.
Yes.
So the end of the day now is like, I go so boom, they're on the hell of them. Me and them are all our vibes. Them are give me the strength said we as a young DJ in our community. They have this youth now, my big man them time, them I don't know where him come from. Until I find out. So a PN land him come from. Them call him Radam, Rantidam Tam. So Better than I go on with itself in our community. He must hear better than get, I don't know. Dragon uncle come down from foreign. Come over there a dragon foot and there on a dragon mother. Her name Honey, she pass off. Soul rest in peace, Honey. Is it? Dragon I see him, soul rest in peace, my J. So it's like I did it. So that day them would walk out of the yard and dragon granny in the shop and she looked at me and she said, Silver Stone. And I said, yes, mama. And she said, come here. I walk up to her as normal. Like, you know, I'm a grandmother. I said, yes, mama. She said, what dragon tell you, say? I said, mama, you know, dragon not really tell me nothing. But dragon did like a couple step behind me and I pray.
Yes.
So same time she said, dragon not tell you, say, uncle there here and uncle no stranger in the yard. So that time dragon come around and start go out himself on some exclusive language. I said, how long that man? But the big man that is him Uncle Carnegie. So rest in peace to New School Records, that's it. They live up on the upstairs on the balcony. So same time I watch the altercation and say, Dragon I said to him, Granny say, yo, the amount of man come here. If my DJ can't come here, none of them no come here. My friend is my brother. So likewise with that and uncle said him look up and see my uncle. I said, Dragon, what is the problem? And I said, uncle, right now when I tell him my mind, you know, I'm a friend this and I DJ this so I ever tell you about. And I say, yeah, me think I want bigger man. And I say, nah man. A theme song them I listen to man and I say, yo. So like my daddy and Dragon say, yo, go all I be a DJ. And give me back a link. And the big man I say, yeah man. So why me I go up the road now for my yard go beard, me have a link with an L one named Kobe. I have a son named Fort World. So Fort World, I go up the road, go see Fort World, I pack up in a van for go down the road, but me and pray. Where them I go, because sound movable.
Yes.
So I'll go play, get them date. So I go be and nice up myself and come back on the road, you know. I go out, I look myself, I go down the road. Then I go down the road, I go see big sound, string up. Me I say, what is this? But one little man coming in my community, I go on with himself. And I say, Silver Stone him come from. So me I say, what kind of energy, all them energy, what I don't know about. Poor Silver Stone now with the one song, you know, one God Almighty song, Silver Stone, having a different local cover version of my mother write, you know, Ghost Rider, you know, and give
So
me.
your song did around the place, it sound like?
Me never did say it around the place, you know.
Oh, okay.
Me I tell you now, me never said that song around the place. Because I remember say, me I do, but as a young entertainer coming up, you don't really see certain things same time. So like going down the road now and man I say, yo DJ come for clash and whatsoever. Me don't know nothing about them something neither.
Yeah.
A cassette me grew up on and record, so me listen Clash Band cassette and them something. So Bounty Killer and Ninja Man and man. Me don't know nothing about what them I deal with. Me just come up in this thing and find myself say, oh this my audience for do and I do what me born for do. So then I go down the road. My sister sound string up the man and I say, Ray, a DJ vibes I go all and whatsoever. So anyway, bam, we do what we do. Go up and them never the building stage is like a staircase. Get my microphone, we go up there. And every me first go on and they said big man, them turn around them about. Might be 30 enough going to 40. So when him go up there, I gallant with himself and I say, man, I go on with himself and call up my name. But when I watch my face as a little young youth, I come up in my teens. I'm confident of that. I'm well confident. Yes, right. So that's what I go so and tap up. Better Than was the youngest song in the box, as I tell you. So when I reveal Better Than, it's like him shocked. He must say the Likkle youth. So one song, but I move the place and the crowd. Eventually we get the crown with the one song. So I there and feel like all is well. When I check a stack of big gun back and then sitting there on me on stage and then sitting there where me a juvenile, me never wear them something. I what this now?
Age 15 you said?
Age 15, and so me I go encounter with problem music. When I see that now, I say, what? But too, as I tell you, we never did really like, we know so we have big man's friends around, so we don't really know for them lifestyle to that, but we know certain things, we see certain things and them I bring us to the road as a young DJ. So my friend them never really like the idea. So my friend them act same time. Yeah, that's so. For them friend rare, my friend them rare too. So my friend them just rare back and take me off a stage brawling. So the clash goes on. The boss never like what go on and we'd go for like 1,000 US. Boss didn't like that. We put on the clash, Carnegie, you understand? So the clash end up have to go on, reschedule and thing. Clash end up watch it. I'm go down to go take a crown from said Radam. Because when I go down there now, him thinks I like, yeah, better than I come back. I go down there with a song with name Mara Fly. And I'm again is a high grade big. That song the out man. A choppy road to one way. So it was like another surprise that is a bomb. Tell me myself as a jaja. Cause it's like, you know, them expect me to call up, me not call up. I go home, I'm go back to the drawing board. I'm start finally hits them. Make the boss Carnegie love me more. So I'm sorry, right away, sign it to new school. I'm gonna take your crown in front of the boss. And some I never know, cause you don't know too me young, I don't know what to do when I get the money. My mother have a friend named Peaches, because my mother was like always the indoor type. Ruffian in about it, you see, indoor. So I have the money, I don't know what to do. So a friend look on her and say, you know what, say, your son a big entertainer. She said, what you talk about? So she said to her, say, your son win clash. And he have a whole heap of money. Him tell her. She said, no, he not tell me nothing, you know. So eventually, she'll ask me. And I don't know, I'm telling you, my mother grew like her brother. I like can't reason about anything. Because she grew me like one little big man, because from me 7 minutes road and from I tell her.
Yeah.
So when she said, yo, come here man, Chris, wait, I'm going to talk to her. She said, I said, yeah man, have the money man. So eventually, she have me give her the money and I said, our friend, end up change up the money and thing, whatsoever, Cambria and whatsoever. So from there, I'm there on new school and that's how the thing start. Till I start all a vibe in new school and the thing I get better and better. Christopher Linton, some the world know him as Dark Pa. Me don't know him as no bad man, a good youth. Me and them youth they go set primary school, graduate little bit before me, graduate after, said no Providence and go JSC. Christopher Linton a good youth. You understand? Know him mother. Good. Make him road the name Benjamins. One Silverstone. Yeah man, I make it Dark Pa road name man, Benjamins man, I have all the song for it man. So what you pray now? It's like anyway I'm saying and there on new school them cause are close by as I tell you. Benjamins are there, little bit from which part new school Carnegie them there, understand? So and every man a link. Dragon and every man a one network. So the man them connect with the dog one night. I'm going to get some herb and something and I make some float. And I said, DJ, boom. So we go down there and go link up as a little warrior and thing and the whole way I race. And the dog have a big man cousin named Jelani Prangles. Some people call him Ninja. You see me? But a Jelani musical correct name, Prangles. You see me? So we link up me, Silverstone, Jelani and Hillbillies. And Bugs come in I down in the last part of the segment, Bugsy then up Japan. But it was like from start, me, Silverstone, Chilania, Hillbillies. Even like what they the two of them call me, I tell them, say, oh, we all get up man, because we all go fast racing. But anyway, a Dark Pa invite me to Jelani. Me and Hillbillies are cousin, but an animal bring over the connection with me and Prangles, that I said Jelani. So now I'm going to get the real move now in the music, the first airplane now. And Reds now was the first manager. So rest in peace, because Reds dead like right time gate. So watch out. When we get the first song out, it was like Lady. You understand? Yeah, me is a collaboration with me and Seth Gillan. And the song running like Roots FM them award segment and we run up in our top 10 and win the awards. You understand? Sit down like on the corner. I get the phone call them time that was like 3310 and I remember them long time bang and walk out with the phone. Yeah, so me was like have one 3310 and get one card.
Yeah.
Answer my phone, them time I have one phone and Kankan or so. Remember them look flip phone there, them, yeah, but like you have to have 33, 30 and 34, 10 for a bang road. So we have a 33 around the road, you know? Get the call in night. Sit down for a while and drink one jack and tea and I burn one ice shanty and get one call like I have my local girlfriend I place there in there. You see pepper sauce that I rather than sister Trisha. So you know I'm just itch up this other. So you know so we get the call. They must say, yo, DJ song I play for radio, you know, because some people first call me, you know. Then the radio station get to me and I say, them didn't try call me. So me I say, all right, yeah man, I mean Silverstone. Anyway, we all get together and we have one radio catch up on one part to, you know, because we know it's in our child, listen what I go on to, you know, if you say, yeah, life left on the year, you know.
Yeah.
So I saw them are going to make you know, say, right, you know, we like a song and I don't win the awards, you know. So we have to come Calico Awards and things, and we need to come at Roots FM that I don't have my ward drive. That I like 1D my ward drive. Yeah man, in a Kingston man, right a 3 mile lesson man. Yeah man, beside White Wing man, you know, have to know a place there with the Zelly. Believe man. A long time I chat in our music and Zelly, and enough sneakers and Clarks more down in the man. Believe me, I tell you man. Only thing, I sweat blood and tears out there man. Hear that? And then a joke thing man. Only per night cold and only per sunburn man. But anyway, we win the awards 2006. Just gone up so now. One Silverstone, you know. Start Ray, Carnegie go stand, rent some vehicle give it. So we start roll. So I think get better. I don't really know the jam about management, but I just there me hard one day and hear say Ray management, job flesh. End up when we reach a spot, I not really some stain I go see like blood stain, so I know I go and book we go find like book I don't really know the fullness. I mean I just an entertainer. Not really mixing a certain energy. Because I'm still young at the time and I know what I want. Just glad for exposure and I try to do my best. And I try to better and better. Anyway, song I go on with itself where I get good run. Stay so now. A little arms house come kick off. He was like the peacemaker and I make like. I say, yo, I like that, I like this and man them for link. Like can't really say it costs through one little ganja spliff. So I say, yo, I rubbish that. Because me just did like there, yes, I move and I have to go there so. Come back. And a man tell me, say, yo, DJ, I say, yo, I like that, man. I say, yo, find time and time. Yo, on the deal, you're not cousin, you know. So from there, I see the tension. But I always back and forth in our studio. Oh, in some, me will like pull up and say, well, man, I'm good. So we can more connect in our early morning or might be. And sometime in the evening or sometime in the day might be.
Okay.
But Silverstone was always out there.
All right, talk to us now, because I know you would have suffered some injury. I suspect that what you're saying will lead up to it, but talk us through that. What happened?
All right, so say that to say this now. Say when the man them kick off them arms house, and me like, yeah, yo, done that. Me stay as the peacemaker outside and I do my thing. As a friend said we to the team. Because all our grow in one circle. I know everyone they like, yeah, want the DJ get there. Because them know the glory. Because we always like there for one another. No man now eat no one sweetie that mash up. Yo, broke up around big stone, every man I forget peace. So yeah, we that. So no man, it reach away no man not take no talk. No man not take no chat. Boss see no fly out that a Carnegie. They are foreign. Also a Likkle man around him. I don't really know what going on about. Out I blows, Dragon father, water, get up one morning and run one allegation fly up and don't know. From this allegation fly everything get bitter. See some local commotion until the boss call me one day and said to me, say, yo, who you say? Me or like mas, who you say? Me or Dark Paw or Dragon? I say, oh, you come see my friend them, you know. Business me deal with, you know, what you talk about. One network, and if you're I'm to your boss, so can I argument that you bring to me too? Remember good, no man, we look up to you, no man. One new school, you know, man. So I must say, watch your man, you have to go choose, you know, so I say, yo, I don't know where you say, I mean, step on certain energy there. So I must say, right now, if I say there, I say there. I say, I like them energy, because I always, not too small, no, ever, my IQ big, you know. I'm stay so and I watch you breathe. I hide it. Say it to my friend them. Dog, I say, yo, I be man that man, make him go. I'm to your DJ, I'm both frightening. I say, And boss say a business still in learn recording. I want to get there out of slum. I'm by slum this way that's how we born. Born and no slum, so we don't need fit. You understand? Man them don't know them are done and right. But anyway, I'm saying the man them never let 10 attack. Thing lead up till 10 o'clock. Me dead there one evening. And the whole commotion broke west. Never forgot me stand up on the open and me just land, as we just say land, me just walk on. But we talk to them, I say them talk, we say we just land or me just pull up on the block. With some urban thing on me, all advise me and the warrior them. And thing. I see some little man run out to the boss yard, throw one part, and the man them run out. Who have this have that, be a sitting. Be a man a cat, so my friend them is a man like them, well, they pan pint, you know. Say, but so man does that, dip up with some big stone to and lick down also, man, and big things start happening in front of me. Cause likewise some big stones start fly still. So you don't know, I'm here a one man. I say, you see a little boy DJ. So me I say, then come like the boss send man for me. Cause right away wisdom quick, you know. So when me go stand and move to one point, cause through some little damage you go on during the storm and broke off some part of the river and things, so one part did wash and get deep like I want pit over there, one ditch, I don't know, but I just don't want to look over there. So you know, so me go and reach to this, so rather die done drop down there. I tell you, so me drop off down there too. So me drop off down there, here me hear a man down there, you know, and go up and turn so I look, you know. And see that the man then go up and see the problem there, saying come kind of in my good health and self said we is it. Because I'm a little body man, you know. So I go up now and roll with that the man there. Find the spot and I look up some say, yo, I'm big up me here out there and we don't know what I go on. So I go and roll with my friend. But as I could roll with my friends are big. I don't know how much pounds to on that thing. But that would have mash him up, you know. It's when that drop at the spot where I move my friend from. I go and start move because we done dip on the flat now in the river coast. So I live like up the road, so we start move. So going up the road and thing and in the motion, I said, dog, how I really go on well? And I said, DJ, I don't know what go on. And I said, dog, if I really go on, I'm going to say, oh, who no damage and real, I said, dog, and me get damage. So because in real life, me get damage. So my first time that now I go get a spray and so throw my hand start up on the motion going. My friend said, no man, you forgot Dr. DJ. So I saw now the 2 hours in the preach at university. So when I there, you see now the boss call me on my phone. And I say, yo, what go on? Where you there? So I say, bad man, are you see me there? Because you're a boy, I don't know what go on. A man come attack it. What go on? Mr. Man run out on the open land and base, attacking and base what go on. And I say, oh, my dog, them now really and baiting. So I say, yo, I don't like them style, brother. The man them have to live down things. You understand? So he never really lived down. He's like, no, I show him, say, yo, you come see me with all my friend them, you know. So you go on now. But if you allow me alone too, you know what, man. You hear that? Because I remember good. My friend them this way grass me to the road. We're not ungrateful, brother. So I don't care where you are going to bring to my table. Without my friend them, I'm not go happy, dog. I'm not go comfortable. Because your friend them is just not my friend them, bad man. And could have never be my friend them. Because your friend them mix up in a one different world, you know. I'm a treat like arrow. And a boy can touch me. The reason, man, if I touch me on my shoulder, so I'm my bedroom, I look and you have to know your space. Because we never grow as now. You see, we're rough, youth. You see it? So then the idea, you reach to a level up now where if a man know what I go on, my mother get the sequence of what I go on said way. But like she never appreciated so serious. But my stepfather now was like always the eyeball feel straight and the ears I turn. Winston, one chopper, scary. Ears I turn for tavern and the eye. So the boss know what I go on and always hint my mother about is a cussy man. So him not tell you. He cuss you. And you have to pick his sense out of nonsense. So I start pick up. So yeah. So one morning when my father did have a song where I run the road at the time, I said, Mama, evil if them kill me. Don't cry, cause them can't get the G from me. Buy one CD, as I tell you, a CD around the road. Full my father album. My mother friend when I tell you about the money changing earlier on for your son Tutun. We call him Tutun, but in correct name a Karen something, I don't remember, but a Karen name first name. him and Yaga, I lend them, because we always have build sound system too, you know, as a youth growing up. So, yeah, every man will have them things. So, we used to like borrow one another songs and them things, the CD and them things, the music from one another. So, me lend the man them the CD. Because the thing don't go on already, and every man hold them boundary and I hold them yard. And the man, they don't see it, I get serious. So the man them link me and me lend the man them the CD. So like going back for the CD, I never really see the man them I go for. Me, I go buy some herbs around one part. But me have to pass to Tony and go through it. So when me I go through it, I go say, I'm a friend, so I stop and link my friend. When I link my friend I move bum it. And I look wild all over and I look up on hillside and them place there. Me as a little tuggy, because we grow in a garrison. Go and read him code and check him flow. And she said, oh, so I touch him, so and I said, oh, that's why I move. So them man they come link a while ago. That are the said man them will rush you, you know, and cause be a controversy in a game, you know. So I tell me, so boy, DJ, I want them to come and link me, you know, cause you some man just come link me and be a thing, you know. So I say, me say to me, I say, dog, Chan was star. And them come out, them threaten me. That me I say in myself. So I say, dog, them come link you. I say, you know, see what I go on, dog, thing I get rough. So I say, two-ton dog, John know dog. So we say to them, I say, dog, I don't say to no man in a dog. Right now, I just don't want a man to follow me yard and thing. Then time I really pick up, say, the dog get nervous and away, so he might even know what to do. More than if I swing with them, or if I stay, I say in righteousness, I stay. So, he might want to, man, they may not make Satan program, he take a bait and gone in a pestilent them energy, you see me? So watch now. My stepfather was, as I tell you, always the EIF town and the ESV road. The man a track me, I mean, I know, so the man a track me from about 2 months. The man a tell me, say, he track me long, you know. I watch my movements, you know. So, you know, so when me go so. And the man check up on me in a 2 yard. Because I see the man them too, so same time, him come recognize me and the dog have a conversation. So he said to me, say, yo, where are you, sir? I said to him, say, you know, it's a big man thing, I said, weed, I go buy Anna. I come pick up my CD from Tutu. He said, no, man, I have weed already, man. Come in. Where I go buy weed? I met him say, oh, I run a bullseye in him. I say, go around a bullseye already. And him did really go around there for 2 hours because he's a herbs man, so he never go early man have him stash. So when I go so up and wheel up, me and the man even sit down and build up weed like one spliff and smoke. Evil Steve, so and the man I raise with me, you know. And I tell him, say, yo, I love you, you know, and and what go on, I don't like it. And, you know, she say, a friend killing this, I got in a preacher. And I say, yo, John, you know my daddy. I know, John, my daddy. I'm not involved in about it. I say, you don't have to involve, but you know. So eventually, I watch it flow now. And, you know, no man now link. I go up on the corner, the man them wide. Man start the east, man start the west. I just like me and Radha Daya and Jag and certain foundation, Justin, the man them, but some of the man them just wide. Some of them say, well, this Father God. Alright, still not pray nothing. Still I link up with Prangles and I do think because Sister Carnegie I move off key. And I bring violence to a thing instead of him and my manager him is a damager. Some of us go and and not easy. I'm tell you roll instead of go and go, them take all them vehicles so we just a normal out back and a whole. Be a thing I'm around the thing, be a thing just I'm around the thing, be a man I get this, be a man I get that around the thing. Out I blows now. Them are there on the road, you know. Them are there on the road, you know. Go one said party. But 2 ton. To show you some is not pre no violence. I pray when I'm gonna pray. When I go to the party, I'm gonna say every man. Every man I'll dark party at the party too. Nesbet fire key where your alkaline sing but so listen peace bad dog cause you know I'm a J like you're my neighbor. Me and Nesbet grow. I don't know what kind of rare female alkaline know one another, but me know and me and Nesbet grow. Nesbet mother a nurse. Yeah, that know the whole of Nesbet family them. Haven Drive Nesbet come from Kingston 6. So, but big up alkaline, you don't know. You hear me DJ. But Nesbet and me and Nesbet grow man. One fire key man. The dog sing say if Nesbet never drop out, you know much road that tap out. Yeah man, I want Nesbet man. So anyway, watch you pray. We had the party all away. Man them say shifting time till all the animal look for me. Cause the thing they get really tens on it in them time. It's an animal that a dog call up me. I say, where you do DJ? I say, I go sign which way? I say, I go Augustone. I say, yo, I'm there, man. So which way me I say, I'm there. I have another spirit at the time. I tell me, say, DJ, time for you left this place here, you know. That is Tavern Drive. So I never have on a shirt now in a marina. Because if I have evil have on a marina, my boy won't happen. So anyway, I go to Bupan, I pull away. After them pull away out of the thing. Type party. And like a vibe say, yo, nobody walk through no chop here or nothing, you know. So hold the road, you know. So I hold the road. The longer journey and go right around. So I go around to my section of the road I'm going to enter to go up on my avenue. As I enter the avenue now, I have a neighbor. You see, pray, I'm not afraid to talk neither. I have a neighbor, but we don't call a name. So I'm going to go and that the neighbor they see me. And I night there, which way I am the main poison to my whole incident. Which way I never did appreciate them youth, they call them youth, there was like anything that, as they see me I say DJ, you're not here now, you understand? So when I pull up, I said to me, what go on DJ? I said, but there you know. He said to me, I go in. I said, no man, so come back. But me don't have a different vibration in me. I pull with. I said, so come back, man. So when I go walk off past him, like him stop me again literally with words. I said, DJ, I said, where you want? My dad, piece of weed or what? And him say, I want weed and grabber. I go and find out the weed and grabber game man, you know. Take out the weed and grabber game man, you know. So my game man always like everything, you know. And walk off left the man, you know. So you'd have somebody in one car where big up in my general, soul rest in peace to you know. You make you know how it come down, you know. And call the name. The general always in him car, man. So him roll. Hear it later and kick back. The general see the phone call we make and hear what go on and hear what talk. Him could have tell my mother and my stepfather what go on and where it come from. Because me tell them, because I see with me here who showed me. Is it? So anyway, when I walk off and give that the man the weed, when I reach my gate, they saw me left my gate locked. And that's how my gate look at me. He's a man have a dog in my yard and things, so my gate nothing looks. So when I go through the gate now, I ask my mother, I shout her out from outside, because my building that they like around on the left. And fear that like the exact. As I go in, I see it. So I shout her here and I bathroom my bed. In her bathroom. So I said to her, oh, come here. Come shout. She said, your friend them? I said, oh, my friend them did that on our party. She said, well, I don't know who then. You have too much people to link. So like I say, so me start grumbling to myself. I say, I'm actually sick or something, you know, man. Because my mother is a moody woman too, you know. So anyway, I'm going to my place now, fly up my door. I'm fly my door and think she done go in my house and put on my dinner. Because I'm a man when I grow, I love my turkey neck and I sit in the house and mommy cook that. Also any curry. So I go in, I go recognize a turkey neck with some dumpling and banana and yam. And the plan was to go to my yard when we left the party, take up one marina or one shirt and just head to Papine. Find myself down at water house. Because I see data come down, you see it? And I feel energy. So things not right, because I see it too. Enough things are happening where nothing happen.
Yeah.
So the whole thing where the big man could have control and just start shoot some fire when necessary. So anyway, I'm there and stay so. Take up the shirt out of the basket, put on my bed. I cut the dumpling, eat piece of yam. I tell you what I'm going to do. Eat piece of dumpling, eat piece of yam, eat piece of banana. I might be bite piece of meat. I'm not girl now. So my stepfather and my sister Kishana, I say sh0ts, I study for sit her sh0ts. 1 lakhs, big up yourself, 1 lakhs. Shanae Campbell. You hear that? Jelly Bean was like younger than Reds. Reds was a little last one, my brother me used to like. But he was like, my mother couldn't agree when she just go breed. Come tell her, say, I breed again, you know. So me was the, my find out, so my brother me used to ever have him. I mean, bring him on road, push him in and prime everything. My mother didn't have a time with him. Me grow him. Reds, that's it. So, when me did and I pick out the food out of the plate, my stepfather, me and him never did agree at the time, because through the whole war I go and I think, and I'm a friend of mine involved and be a thing. You know them cover and marries with me, as me tell you. In me hear my whisper to my sister, I say, yo, ask me if you want some juice. And I say to her, she ask me, I say, yo, I don't want no juice, man. So me and say, ask me if you want water. And I say, by the time she could have asked me, I say to her, I say, deaf little girl, so I don't want nothing. She say, them a whisper and I say, in my ear. So me like was, me I say, cut left one in, because I'm ignorant of myself. And I say, go left one in, take my time, so I go, watch this. One shirt, me I realize. So I take up the shirt now. I never threw it over my shoulder, so I look, me have a glass door. You know them double door there with the glass them. But here I go on, my door never open outside, it open inside. So when it open, my inside it open. So when I look back to the door, so out the door is bright. And like me I tell you, so when I look out the door, I pitch black, but at night selling about it was like, oh, that's so dark, so. No, I know, so you are dark, the most I dark up my vision and show me a sign, you know. I mean, I tell you, you know, moms, so when I look out there and see darkness, I start feeling one way in my body. Me is a boy with me no fear. My old lady know that. I have no fear in me. I'm start feeling myself again. That way there. One look at thing come over my body. And like me hear a voice in my head say, should be in the door. Serious thing, I tell you, so like me hear the voice loud in my head. Like somebody there right beside me, I say, lock your door now. I'm going to say, and should be in the door. So I'm going to go, because even my neighbor said, when I lock the door, she said to her man, she would say, I wonder how Doogie locking door so loud, I'm afraid them the glass they broke. That I'm munchie, you see me? So I lock the door. I lock the door and I tell you, to jar work, I end up, lock the door and like take about 2 steps back way off the door, so. And the door just fly back in my face. If maybe I never take them 2 steps to the door, they lick me in my face and bust up my face. But when the door fly back, I literally hear a man say, I bought silver stone, I pee silver stone. So I say, boy, rolling, shotgun, where you want with me? Hey boy, so my people them start hear the commotion to in the building. So by the time I say, I just that's the whole thing, be a gunshot. Be a gunshot start for you in the building. The whole building turn upside down. Yo, me have all one coach. I mean, I know me can't, me don't know, but I can tell any youth say, yo, for them a bad brother, low badness, if you not pray if you take up gun, low gun thing, I get gunshot and I not bad, and music me that sing. You hear that? And music will still a sing, because we are doing for this. And gunshot lift me up, push me over my couch. So for instance, I couch is a gunshot. Me there stand gunshot, move me, put my back of this, and I never know some of the back of this. Yeah, I tell you, 17 shot I get in a real life, 17 piece. Gunshot fly to all my neck.
Yeah.
Gunshot mash up my nose, a plastic surgery, how much money my mother have to spend for me. You see, you look at money where, them boy there, rare. Back then I mean like say, yeah, you feel like too young will think of money. Look at money them make long man buy dust. 2 little pillar for buy and sitting for keep you. Me go out on a life machine for how long, so. Think my mother jail. The hospital about 1 year straight, you know, no boy, you know. So I say I know now can get the record, you know. Yeah man, going to coma for how long, you know, man, months, you know, man. No know nobody, you know. When me awake, I take them like money run out, you know, we pay for that, you know. And I come off a machine, you know. Because them a plug me off, you know, and my grandmother said, no, she's my mother. And I say a local movements, I mean, I tell them, say, right, you know. And I said, with the most I saw me there, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, in a real life. Yes,
so what's your outlook now, just looking back and, you know, considering what you would have gone through?
All right, so my outlook right now, on the outside looking in, back then, when I go through in my life. And then a normal feelings and then a normal remembrance more time, you know, if you're not strong, you know. If you're not strong, you see, for instance, if you know, say, I know how to do my things and them things done. If you know, say, yo, I never render naive, if you're naive, I just easy. Although, once take it up on them head and do what them feel like do. You see me? Because them say them are loyalty friend and thing. We give thanks to for energy because we always solid and straight. You see it? So just me, the same way likewise. So you know, say your condolence goes off and goes out to my friend them a pass off. And who they around me said we likewise. And I hold the order. And I praise the Father. We are the right thing. I want them pray for me. Don't stop praying. for everything for Silverstone come true at the right time, because nothing can be at the time.
Okay.
On the most side.
So what are you doing now? What are your plans now moving forward?
Alright, my plans now, in our real life is like recently signed with a label Vibes. I understand, from overseas, Canada label. You understand? Yeah, really just like in the last year. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, to be fact. No pepper sauce. Last year I signed yeah. One SFL. Big up yourself, my boss.
Yeah.
Style of life, is it? Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, we recently signed with Vibes label. You understand? I will give thanks to all movements right now, because them have Silverstone and them make Silverstone right now. They're on the platform, on the forefront right now. Where yeah, even you likewise who could reach out and you guys reach out back and say yeah. You understand? So Vibes is doing a great movements right now.
Okay.
Yeah.
What type of music you sing?
Well, it's all about variety of music, like we're not really specific in about, we mostly have a culture where we're positive music. Really.
Oh, okay.
You're not going to really get a slackness from a week. We mostly get some positive songs from Vibes. Yeah,
Okay.
Silverstone, the entertainer, to sign Vibes label, yeah, we mostly get some positive songs from, definitely. And no guess no doubt about that. Because I remember this now, a change will come for change this thing. We don't go through what we go through from over the years. And we see the youth, them not really up to the time, like them not really whole certain anything no more. Because nowadays, as I see the youth, them get up, who not say them a chopper, and them a this, who no want go turn gunman, no man not really want turn police and soldier, you know, and lawyer and doctor again, you know. And man not really want turn entertainer again, you know, and man not really. As a youth, them get big and reach certain age, you know, it's not study the youth them. So Silverstone is all about, I come to tell the youth them, say right now, just listen Silverstone, listen to my message them. You understand? Listen Silverstone. When I have to find, we're up on the platform.
Okay.
And Silverstone, they have to guide the youth them to the next.
Something before we go?
Yeah, man, that's definitely, man. Definitely, man.
Alright.
You understand? Because it's like all about right now. So, yeah, man. And it's all about, man. I want Silverstone, man. A Zelly movement. You understand? Where I say we two up in, I think. Well, and this have to move then, man. Yeah, man, because right now, that song we are run with, you know. That song we are premiere and everything. And that song we are push, feel. So the youths them want to check out Silverstone. You understand? Check out on the YouTube, Facebook, right around the globe, man. Well established, man. You hear that? One Silverstone said speed, man. You can't go wrong. SSSFSLVASTNE. You understand? So you catch the spelling. SLVASTNE. You can't miss around to catch that. You understand? But right now, tell the boss, I said come down because Silverstone life on the line. Then hear me, no failure, well out. Then from a band from them that time that till now them for no say man a fighter than a real survivor, no driver. Listen me, no driver, no failure. We are part for them drive cause I tell myself me no want to be no member from last year November, no member. Last year November, no member. 1 month I'm gonna run pan for my head and them I said that me fit dead and them no member. Me they think me them a dead friend ja. Come talk to them now styler. Well you know a quote cause boss now dep on the ground. Say him overseas so when you catch what the boss for one next interview do your real thing man. So Zelly you know in a holy blessing and give thanks for your movements you know. Yeah man. One Silverstone man, one Vibes music, style of life.
Alright, Silverstone, big up yourself. Much love and blessing.
Yes, man.
It was a pleasure speaking with you. Alright.
To you, man. And
yes, man.
Make good guide and protect you likewise. See you up on your journey, right?
Alright.
Silverstone love goes out, is it?
Yeah, man.
Bless it.
Cool.
Zelly that. You know, you can't wrong, you know, man. One Silverstone, you know. You hear that? Be the personnel behind the scene. Big up yourself, moms. You hear that? Everything locked in. I quote, man. One Vibes, man. We represent, man.
Alright, guys. Thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love. Stay safe and bye-bye.